some of the things you should be looking out for in choosing a server for yourself. So the first thing is CPU. You should look for a server that gives you a very high CPU, a lot of processing power, because for your website you don't need it to be slow or to be lagging or to have a lot of downtime. You need a website that is very fast. It has high performance that will be loading in seconds, where clients will be able to be seeing your services or your products. They'll be able to make inquiries. They'll be able to make purchases and all of those features. So you should look for one that gives you a lot of CPU and a lot of RAM, because this two goes hand in hand in processing power. So for your website, you should look for this. And the benefit of having dedicated servers is that the CPU and the RAM, you're the one with full sole control. You have full admin privileges. You're the only one who is using that. The CPU and the RAM storage is fully assigned to you. And of course, no one will be using a lot of resources where it will be inconveniencing you. The next thing is storage. Of course, dedicated servers comes with SSD storage, so you get fast processing speeds. You get a large space to store, whether it's your files, whether it's your images, your text files, your website files, your videos, your blogs, whichever business you might be transacting your data. So you get a very high storage that only you yourself will be using for yourself. You should also check for bandwidth. With dedicated servers, of course, you get a very high bandwidth, get high speed internet connections, often unmetered or up to several terabytes. So unmetered bandwidth, or maybe a very high TB, very high gigabytes per second, terabytes per second, a very high bandwidth and very high speed internet connections.